How to copy WhatsApp group link. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, firstly, launch a WhatsApp application in your device. So over here, navigate to the group chat of which you wish to share the group link. Once you are in here, you need to click on the first button, or you can just select on the user icon at the top. Now once you are in here, you will find every group info. Scroll down until you see the option of members. Right at the top, you will see invite via link. Tap on the given option. Now you can send the link via WhatsApp, or copy the link or share the link, or create a QR code which can be scanned by the group members to enter into the group. Now this is the easiest way to share or send an invite to a member that you wish to add. If you do not have such feature in your WhatsApp group link, make sure you are the admin of the group, or else you'll be needing an update, or you will be needing the permission of the actual group admin. Now go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very